What if you could run code without ever managing a server? That's the promise of serverless computing. Early cloud, 2006 plus. AWS let you rent servers, but you still managed virtual machines. 2014, AWS launched Lambda, the first major serverless service. Instead of running 24/7, code executes only when triggered. Developers no longer worry about servers, just functions. Serverless is used in chatbots, IoT apps, image processing, APIs. Pay-per-use makes it cost-effective for startups and enterprises. It's like electricity. You don't own the power plant, you just pay for the lights when you turn them on. Integration with AI. Serverless apps that react instantly to real-time data. Serverless didn't eliminate servers, it eliminated the need for you to manage them,